Let's talk about circles on the SAT Math. There are several things related to circles given to you on your reference sheet. You're given the formulas for the area and circumference of a circle, and you're also given that there are 360 degrees or 2 pi radians of arc in a circle. But one thing that you are not given, but is really important, is the standard form of a circle. And we like this form a lot because the center and the radius are easily identifiable. If an equation is written in this form, then we can conclude that it is a circle with a center at hk and a radius of r. For example, this is the equation of a circle with a center at -2, 3 and a radius of the square root of 5. We could even rewrite this equation to make this more clear. Adding 2 is the same as subtracting -2, and 5 is equal to the square root of 5 squared. Now let's check out this SAT question. We are given the equation of a circle and asked to find the circle's radius. We can do this by writing the equation in standard form, which involves using a technique called completing the square. First, we need to subtract 6y from both sides so that all of the variable terms are on one side and the constant term is on the other. We also want the x and y terms grouped together from biggest to smallest exponent, which is what we have here. Then we need to add two numbers to both sides so that we can create two perfect square trinomials. Perfect square trinomials have a relationship where the constant term is the square of half of the coefficient of the linear term. So we're going to take half of the coefficient of each linear term, square it, and add it to both sides of the equation. This gives us two perfect square trinomials on the left-hand side, which can each be factored into the square of a binomial, and a constant term on the right-hand side, which means that our equation is now in standard form. And since we are tasked with finding the radius, we know that this constant on the right-hand side of the equation is the radius squared. So the radius must be the square root of 167, which is answer choice C. What topic do you want to see next? Let me know.